Watch as our real-life hero Ezra steps into his tailored tail. Here's Ezra. He loves trucks, dinosaurs, scooters, and park adventures. Today, Ezra brings his favorite truck to the playground. Ezra races his truck through the sand. Go, truck, go! Ezra has a super idea for his truck today. He wants to build the biggest ramp ever. Ezra finds bright blocks to build his special ramp. Uh-oh, the blocks are very heavy. Ezra needs help. He pushes and pulls, but the blocks won't budge. Nearby, kids play dinosaurs, roaring softly. Roar. Can you help me build, please? Ezra asks sweetly. They smile big smiles and hurry to help Ezra. Together, their teamwork moves heavy blocks. Hooray! 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks high. Wow! Can you count the blocks with Ezra? Ready?
Your turn.
1, 2, 3.
Great counting. Now the super ramp is ready. Ready, set, go. Zoom. Ezra's truck races super fast down the ramp. Everyone cheers. Teamwork built the best ramp ever. Stand up and jump to celebrate Ezra's awesome teamwork. What's next for Ezra? Dinosaur adventures or speedy car races? Let's go.